Hello friends! Today we are learn capital letter alphabet, missing letter and color name. So let's start. Green color, purple color, blue color, red color, yellow color, pink color, sky blue color, brown color, orange color, black color, blue color. A for apple. B for ball, red color. C for cat. D for dog, yellow color. E for earth. F for frog, pink color. G for goat. H for hand, sky blue color. I for ice cream. J for joker, brown color. K for kite. L for lemon, orange color. M for milk. N for nose, blue color. O for onion. P for panda, pink color. Q for queen. R for rabbit, red color. S for sun. T for tiger, yellow color. U for umbrella. V for fan, sky blue color. W for watermelon. X for Xmas tree, brown color. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Bye bye kids.
Black color, orange color, yellow color, gray color, white color, dark green color, peach pink color, light green color, blue color, brown color, red color, purple color, and pink color. Let's learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Orange color. 1. Light green color. 2. Yellow color. 3. Red color. 4. Sky blue color. 5. Orange color. 6. Light green color. 7. Yellow color. 8. Red color. 9. Sky blue color. 10. Orange color. 11. Light green color. 12. Yellow color. 13. Red color. 14. Sky blue color. 15. Orange color. 16. Light green color. 17. Yellow color. 18. Red color. 19. Sky blue color. 20. Let's learn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.